In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Audible app. Let's get started by launching either the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store on your device. This is the first step to accessing Audible's vast library of audiobooks. If you're prompted, make sure to log into your account. This ensures that your App Store can remember your preferences and past downloads. Once you're in the App Store, search for Audible. If you see the Install button, go ahead and click it. Audible will begin downloading to your device. However, if you see an Open button instead, this means that Audible is already installed on your device. In that case, you can skip the installation and proceed directly to opening the app. Now launch the Audible app and log in if it asks you to. This is an important step because logging in lets you access your personal library and preferences. With that ready, you'll find yourself on the Home tab. Here you can search for audiobooks or browse through a selection of curated recommendations. Once you find an audiobook that piques your interest, click Buy Now to purchase it. Follow the prompts to complete the transaction. This simple step is crucial because it adds the book to your library, allowing you to listen at your convenience. After that, tap the library icon located in the bottom navigation bar. This is where all your purchased audiobooks are stored. Tap the cover art of any book that has a small arrow icon on it. This arrow indicates that the book needs to be downloaded to your device. By doing this, you can listen to your audiobooks without using Wi-Fi or cellular data, which is especially useful if you have limited data plans. Once the download is complete, tap the cover art again to open the audio player. This will let you start listening to your audiobook right away. The Audible app is divided into 4 main areas, each serving a specific purpose. The Home section displays personalized recommendations, trending titles, and your recently played audiobooks. The library is your personal collection where you can use tabs at the top to filter and sort your books by titles, authors, or collections. The Discover section acts as the built-in storefront, perfect for browsing genres, viewing bestsellers, and finding free content in the Audible Plus catalog. Lastly, the Profile section tracks your listening stats, unlocked badges, account settings, and downloaded file space. While listening to a book, you can customize your experience using the player buttons. Use the skip and rewind buttons, represented by curved arrows, to jump backward or forward by exactly 30 seconds. This feature is valuable when you want to replay an interesting part or skip a section you've already heard. In the bottom left corner, tap the speed button to adjust how fast or slow the narrator speaks. You can set it from 0.5 times up to 4 times the normal speed. This can be particularly helpful if you want to finish a book more quickly or need to slow down to better absorb the material. For more control, tap Chapters to skip directly to a specific section. You can also tap Bookmark to save a specific quote or timestamp. This is handy for revisiting important parts later. Finally, tap the moon icon to set a sleep timer. Options include setting it for 30 minutes or until the end of a chapter. This ensures the audio turns off automatically if you fall asleep, preserving battery life and your place in the book. And there you have it, a complete guide to using the Audible app. Enjoy your listening experience and happy reading.